How to create a favorites list on Cash App. Now, you might want to create a favorites list because you must make payment to someone frequently, maybe on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, but that person is very frequent. Normally, like this could be automatic because Cash App will determine that and add it to the favorites tab, but you can also customize your favorites manually. In order to do that, simply launch Cash App, make sure that you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. From here, what you have to do is you can see this option with the star icon that says favorites. So all you have to do is tap on the favorites button, and you can see it says create a favorites list. It says your favorites list help you find the people you need to pay faster. Tap on the add favorites button. You can allow the access of your contacts on your Cash App, or you can also simply search for someone using the Cashtag manually. And when you basically search for them, then you should be able to go ahead and then find them and then add them to your favorite list. But as I said, you can also sync up your own contact list, which is on your phone or your SIM card anywhere else. Then once you've allowed the access, you could add those people to your favorites list. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.